These shoes, I know it's kind of a little hype, these shoes. Everybody want these shoes or whatever, but really much. I'm in deep but some fire ass fits with this. Like, this is him. This is him for real. Like Jumbo, like, yo, I just got some big ass feet. No cap. YouTube. Trapical here, man, with another banger video, man. Banger vlog. Another banger movie, zoovie, whatever you can call it, but I'm back with another video, man. And so right now, we got some heat. We got some heat inside the box, and you know, you can see the top of the description. I got a special delivery. This came from overseas, and I've been waiting on this package for so long. It came in like Friday, and it's like Monday today. It's literally Monday today, but I couldn't really wait to open it, but I have the chance to open it. I'm gonna open it, and you know, I'm gonna do a video for you guys. Picked up the camera, and I'm gonna decide to do a video for you guys. You feel me? It's a special delivery. Got something, a mystery inside the box. I'm gonna show y'all what's indeed in here. I'm not trying to flip the side because it got my info and all that stuff in there. But before we get into this video, man, let's break 10 likes. At least let's get 10 likes for the video. And I got another special video I'm doing it right after this, but let's get 10 likes, and you know, let's just keep on the consistency. You know, I know y'all fuck with the channel, y'all love the channel, and I have to bring back my love to y'all. So you feel me? I appreciate everyone that's watching this channel. We're just gonna keep on growing and growing. Alright, so for basically, I'm not trying to do a whole unboxing. It's kind of cringe. Y'all seeing a black guy, you feel me? Y'all just seeing a black nigga really just opening up a box, and I'm not trying to see that. I'm gonna just talk to y'all. But anyways, life been kind of okay to me. It's been okay, you know. If anybody have, you know, some things they going through in life, don't let them, you know, take that. Don't take it personal. You feel me? First thing, just breathe, and you know, everything's gonna be all right. You know. Because at the end of the day, we really can't control. You only can control what you can. But yeah, just don't go too crazy at the end of the day, really much, bro. Breathe in, breathe out, and live another day. Live your life, bro. But yeah, bro, I guess these are the shoes that came in. Those indeed some Masion Mihara Yoshiro. I said that so totally correct, wrong. Some Masion Miharas, basically. Yoshiro. Alright, let me say, basically I got some Masion Miharas. These shoes, I know it's kind of a little hype, these shoes. Everybody want these shoes or whatever, but yeah, now I got them. It's alright, it's straight. I got these overseas, and I had to pay $100 for shipping for these. So this is going to my YouTube check and all that stuff, so I'll be making as much videos as I can just to pay back the shoes. I'll tell you guys the price and all that stuff after. But yeah, this is indeed the box come looking like. Within, got the logo. They got some china and some printing right here. I don't know what that is, but yeah. Basically, I got these shoes from overseas. My first shoes from overseas. That's crazy. Alright, I had to do my thumbnail, but nah. Let me get right into these shoes. I'm not trying to show y'all too much. Y'all can see the look. I gotta get y'all right first. So let me close my eyes. What if a rat came out, or like something came out that was so unexpected? But nah. Damn, bitch. These are the shoes. Though, if I can get open and show y'all. What I will be doing, I will try it on foot. Damn, bruh, it's like a Christmas present. I'm gonna try it on foot for y'all. I'll show y'all all the good stuff for it. Alright, I'm done enough closing my eyes. But nah, I will try it on foot and show y'all all the good stuff that's coming with it. I guess this is so fire how it came in this little. I wouldn't expect that, but these are it. These are the Masion Miharas, and first thing first, off of touch, physical touch, this is a good first impression. You feel me? These shoes look like Converse, but they're really not. Yeah, bro, this is the right. So this is the right one. Let me pull out the other one. I like how it came out in this. This is so stylish, bro. I feel like I'm paying for what I, actually deserve, but nah. I indeed got some Mason Miharas. Nothing too crazy about these. These shoes look like I don't know, like someone just injected something inside the shoe and it just like jumbo. Like, yo, I just got some big ass feet, no cap. But nah, these shoes are so hard. They feel so light in person. I'm gonna be real. They feel so light. I got them in a size 8.5, so I'm barely gonna be wearing these. But I'm gonna only probably take 1-2 couple picture with this, and yeah, because I paid a lot of money for this, and the way how the box look and how it came in, this is real luxury. Like, this is luxury. If overseas stuff come looking like this, I gotta take me a trip to London overseas or something, because I indeed bought these from London. They came in from, I thought it was gonna take forever to come in, but it took like, a couple 10 days, almost a week to come in. And yeah, bro, let me give y'all 360 review. I will also try on foot for you guys, show y'all the POV after, but I'm gonna just give y'all some good specs about the shoe. Look at the bottom of it. Got the logo on the bottom. As you can see, you got the double sole. So the sole gonna look big basically in person, and it's really big in person, I would say. Yeah, the laces are also thick as hell too. That's how the laces indeed come with. How it came in, they're thick as hell. But yeah, I like how they really look. I'll try them on foot for you guys and show you all the good specs. But yeah, these are basically it. But yeah, bro, this how it indeed is supposed to look like. Nothing too crazy. You feel me? Nothing too crazy, bro. I should have got the low top version. I feel like they look better. There's a low top and a high top version, but I indeed got the low top. And this is indeed just a similar version of Converse, low Converse, but you don't see no logo and none of that stuff. And it's just a double sole Converse. It look fire. I ain't gonna flat. These look tough in person. Probably look different on the camera, but it look tough as hell in person. And yeah, bro, it's just something stylish, something basic, really much. I'm indeed but some fire ass fits with this. Alright, this is him. This is him for real. This is him. But what I'm going to be doing, I'm gonna put on the POV, show y'all how it looks on foot and all that good stuff. I indeed got him in the size lower, like I say, 8.5. I guess when you actually buy these though, you want to get them in a size smaller so you'll fit better. Well, this actually look like it run big, and you don't want to get them in a big size, so get them in a size smaller. And yeah, man, I'm gonna bust these down. And yeah, I paid a good price of these. I paid like almost 400 just for some shoes, which is actually insane. But this is something that I like, and when I actually like something, I'm actually gonna buy it. I'm not gonna just buy it just because I don't really work hard. So yeah, paid a good price for these. So let me put on the POV and show y'all some fire fits with this. I'm trying to bust on 2 jeans. I'm busting a black and a gray one, and let me know which one y'all best options. And these how they look again. so yeah, man, YouTube, that's it for the end of the video, man. I know we reached the end of the video, man. You probably didn't even realize it. It was like, whew. But yeah, drop down in the comment section too, which jeans do you prefer? You think it look better with the gray, or you think it look better with the black jeans too? This how the black jeans do look like. And I ain't gonna lie, the black jeans look fire with these. It look fire, it looks swift with it, but the gray ones, it draws more attention, it look better. But I don't know, man, this whole fit right now I have on, I think I could even go outside, go take some pictures or something. But and go outside, go take some pictures for me. I have the little hoodie, got the Miharas, got the black pants, and you know, just a basic white tee underneath, you know. But yeah, other than that, man, I don't know, man. Just go tune into the video, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new subscriber. Might as well press that subscribe button so you don't miss another video. Press that bell. And I'm not gonna be doing too much talking, man. I indeed gonna do another video, drop another video. So just stick tuned to that. Consistent Tropical in the building. And other than that, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. And I ain't gonna lie, bro. I think these are my best cop. These are gonna be my best for sure. My most expensive, best designer shoes ever. But other than that, bro, I'm gonna catch you on the video, and we out.